Yeah, you good now? Oh. Oh, Kayla, you want some hugs? Come on. Come on, Kayla. All right. Are you good with me now? Are we good? Yeah? You're no longer mad at me. You've been mad at me all day. Yeah. Oh, thank you. I love you too. Hmm? I know. Such a good boy. You know that? You know you're a good boy? Your mommy loves you very much. You know I love you very much, right? Yeah? Hmm? You know I love you? And you're my handsome boy? Do you know you're my handsome boy? Are you aware? Hmm? I can never forget you, even when mommy's playing with other dogs. Hmm? So I'm glad we're good now, because you've been upset with me. So I give Mountie more attention than I did you, right? Yeah. I know, baby boy. I know. My chance. I know, love. Oh, this is my Chancey. He is my precious boy. And I love him. The whole world is going to know that mommy loves you. That I love. Oh, yes, I do. I do love you. And you love me too, right? You love me too? No? You don't love me? No, you're so upset. But I love you more. I love you more. Oh, look at that. Kayla's upset too. Kayla, are you gonna come now? Where's my hug? Where's my hug? Can I get a hug? That you forgive me? Give me a hug. Chance. No? Come. Good job. Good. Oh, ho, ho, ho. Mwah. I know. I know. I'm forgiven. I'm forgiven. I'm so happy. Chancey forgave me. Yeah. See, I forgive you, mommy. I forgive you, mommy. I love you, my Chance boy. I love my Chance boy.